Good morning, boys and girls. My cameraman was having a little bit of difficulty this morning, but I think that we're okay. Can you see the book, Zachary?
Yes.
Okay. I am about to read a story for our first day of remote learning, so we can count this as a read aloud, boys and girls. There is a Bird on Your Head by one of our favorites and Miss Hughes' favorites, Mo Willems. I want to give a special thank you to Mo Willems for allowing us to read his books online. He wants his stories to get out to the world, to all children who can't be face-to-face right now. So thank you to Mo Willems. There is a bird on your head. Here's the pigeon. Fun fact, in every Mo Willems book, you will find the pigeon. So if you want to go through any of your Mo Willems books at home, you can look for the pigeon because he puts them in each and every one of his books. There's the bird. Piggy! You see the book, Zach?
Yeah.
Okay. Is something on my head? Yes. There is a bird on your head. There's a bird on my head? Ah! Is there a bird on my head now? No. I love Elephant and Piggy. Now there are two birds on your head. Come a little closer. Okay. What are two birds doing on my head? They are in love. The birds on my head are in love? They are lovebirds. Lovebirds. How do you know they are lovebirds? They are making a nest. Two birds are making a nest on my head. Why would two birds make a nest on my head? I'm afraid to ask. Do I have an egg on my head? One, two. Three. You have 3 eggs on your head. I do not want 3 eggs on my head. Then I have good news. The eggs are gone? The eggs are hatching. Hatching? The eggs on my head are hatching? Cheep, cheep, cheep. They have hatched. Now I have 3 baby chicks on my head and 2 birds in a nest. I do not want 3 baby chicks, 2 birds, and a nest on my head. Where do you want them? Somewhere else. Look at Piggy. I love this. Why not ask them to go somewhere else? Ask them? Ask them. Okay, I will try asking. Excuse me, birds. Will you please go somewhere else? He's talking to the birds. No problem. It worked. Bye-bye. Now there are no birds on my head. Thank you, Piggy, very much. You're welcome. No. feeding all their baby chicks. Okay, boys and girls, I hope you have a great first day at remote learning. I miss you. I'm wearing my EAS shirt. Bye.